Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a high-quality image or video for your wallpaper. Use a 1920 x 1080 or 4K file, depending on your monitor resolution. For videos, aim for 60 FPS to keep motion smooth and natural. Keep individual files at reasonable sizes to avoid performance issues and long load times. Launch Wallpaper Engine from Steam and open the Editor mode from the top menu. Editor mode is the only way to import and configure custom wallpapers properly and consistently. In Editor mode, click Create Wallpaper and then choose Import File to add your asset. Select the image or video file from your local drive and confirm the import settings. Set the resolution and playback loop options to match your monitor and preference. Choose 60 FPS for video content if your hardware supports it for consistent motion. Adjust position, scale, and image fit to cover single or multi-monitor setups. Save the project using a clear name so you can find it later in the library. After saving, open My Wallpapers and apply the saved project to test locally. Check performance while the wallpaper runs and watch CPU and GPU usage for spikes. If you plan to share, publish the wallpaper to the Steam Workshop from the editor. Publishing requires a title, description, and optional tags before you confirm the upload. For private use, you can skip publishing and keep the file local in your library. If performance suffers lower resolution, reduce FPS or switch to a static image to improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.